Madam, yes, sir. Thank you for giving us the challenge and opportunity to work on your Land Rover. It has the 2-liter Ingenium engine inside. So you came with one problem and you found that there was another issue. Okay. I hope that our sincere input has reflected that. Like I said, we've done the test drive, car drives okay, there's no warning lights on, which is the most beautiful aspect. That's what we want. In terms of cost, as mentioned, we have done some good management input on there. We have not recorded all the hours. So in terms of affordability of cost, I think we have ticked that box as well. Also ticked the box that we said we're gonna complete it by 6:30 as another box tick. The main aspect I think is we can highlight this to the public. Once we know what is the problem, the price doesn't change. Yeah. So if you have a car and you have problem P0118 coolant temperature sensor, and if your local garage change the sensor, change the wires, and you still have an issue, you can contact us. We can help you.
Yeah, we would also like to thank you very much. You were very knowledgeable and very professional in all the things that you did. Elena was also very supportive in answering all our questions because I was like hitting her head all the day. What is the update and all, but and we did had an emotional moment when we found out like our car is getting too many problems, but you solved all the problems and we got a car back like in a week and it was much more affordable. It you did guys made sure that it didn't go like higher the price and all, so we are very grateful for that. Thank you so much.
Thank you.